Hi there, welcome to your channel for another tutorial. If you are trying to transfer file from Android to iOS or vice versa, you are trying to transfer from iOS to Android phone. This is a very difficult thing to do normally. You need some third-party apps, and even though some of them don't work well because it's cross-platform. Today I'm going to give you a way to transfer files between iOS and Android, or between two Android phones, or between a computer and a phone. It could be a Mac or a PC. All of those things without even installing an app. If this is interesting for you, so let's get started. So as you can see, this is my iPad and phone, and I'm going to transfer file between them. So that you have to do is make sure they both have to be connected to the same network, same Wi-Fi. If you don't have Wi-Fi, don't worry. What you have to going to do is turn on the hotspot in your mobile and then connect to your iPad. Once you have done, then open snapdrop.net and Android phone. After that, open snapdrop.net on your iPad as well. To access the snapdrop.net, open your Google. Then type snapdrop.net in the search bar. Then press enter. Then click on this link. You will get this interface on your devices. After that, to transfer the file, click on this icon on your Android phone. Then choose your file. For example, this one. As you can see here, you can ignore or save it. As you can see, it's so fast and super easy. So let's transfer from iPad to Android. Click on this icon on your iPad. You have three options here. For this tutorial, I select the photo library. You can send any type of file, such as video, audio, or pictures. I pick this one. You can see the process. Tap on Save here. Click on Download. Then click on Open. Here you are. We transferred files between iOS and Android phone pretty easy and fast. I like this method. It's pretty easy and simple. If you think this video was useful, so please subscribe to this channel. If you haven't already, give a thumbs up to this video and share this video with your friends. If you have any comments, suggestion, question, whatever, leave them in the comment below. Thank you. See you in the next video.